Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to redirect or point your GoDaddy or your website on Hostinger to GoDaddy without having to change your server name. So very quickly, what we want to do here is go to GoDaddy, choose the A-type record, and then from here, just type in your IP from Hostinger. So techhelpguys.com. So here, just add in the value, and then TTL is can be custom or depending on you, can be a week. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.